25 years. The story continues. This segment, Why Network Marketing? It's a unique industry, one that I've grown to love. And I use that word carefully. I love this industry. Why? Because when the governing principles of network marketing are properly applied, this represents not just the best way to generate income, it's not just the best way to move products to end-line users. My life experience has proven this can be the very best way to live. I simply love it. Well, why? What's that all about? I remember the days when I was a stockbroker, and I remember the great moments of celebration that I would have when I opened a new account, a big one that would generate commissions. And now I stop and I reflect upon that. From whence came the new account? Did it materialize from thin air? No, I got it because someone else lost it. My success was born of someone else's failure. Consider the BMW salesman today who sells a beautiful new vehicle. Did that sale not come at the expense of the Mercedes salesperson who did not succeed with that same customer? So frequently in our lives, in our business and our social lives, our successes are born not of other people's successes, but of someone else's failure to succeed. When we do this well, when we do it right, when we develop the skills and character attributes required for true success, our every success is born of the successes of other people. I don't just like that, I love it. Well, why network marketing? Here's another simple answer. It's because it gives us finally, after a period of time, the opportunity to separate ourselves from the generation of income. I remember so many years ago when I was looking carefully at the business, this simple thought, that I could set in motion a pattern of activities which would result in a web of consumers being built around the world. It would result in a web of participants in the program being built around the world, and that someday, one day, not quickly, but one day, I would be able to have an income that was being generated 24 hours per day because people all over the world would be buying the company's products. All over the world, they would be telling the business message. Now today in KANNAWAY, we have this remarkable, wonderful, beautiful opportunity to be part of the foundation in America. The home nation. The time will come in the not so distant future where not if but when we do our job well in the United States, we'll have an opportunity to separate ourselves from the generation of income through the consumption of others, through the widespread income successes of others, through the profound health benefits others receive, which leads to their willingness to share it with others, and finally, when we begin to extend around the world, we'll have a chance to generate an income that goes 24 hours per day, the chance to separate ourselves from the generation of income, the chance to have that success come as a result of widespread successes of others, the opportunity we each have to learn, grow, develop, and become more, to develop new skills, new character attributes, to develop new leadership attributes to make every part of our lives better. I don't just like network marketing, I love it. I think you will too if you join us in it.